In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add chroma key effects on your videos using InShot video editor. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now I have here my video that I've added on my timeline, and I'd like to go ahead and add chroma key effects. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to your timeline here and then scroll on this bar until you find this option called cutout. If you go ahead and tap on it, you can see now we have these two options, cutout and chroma. From here, go ahead and tap on chroma, and this will go ahead and add the color wheel here. So if you go ahead and move this color wheel, you'll be able to add the effects as you so wish. And look at that. Once you're okay with your effects, now you can go ahead and set it so you can also increase the strength and the shadow of your effects using these chroma key edits, and then finalize by OK, and that chroma key effect will be added on your videos. So that's how you add chroma key on your videos using InShot video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.